The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? We need to stand up for something and stop make them bullshit and push we around and lie to it. We are human beings. We deserve to be treated better than this. We haven't done anything for them to ill-treat us. You want to send us to Bahia. You are so scared of the ship. You don't want it come to Jamaica. But yet you have 9 cases at Bahia. And that's where you want to bring us. When you could actually come and test us on the ship. Why the government can't send them team company ship. Come test we. We need to unite. This is the time when we need to be nationals. Put difference aside. Come together and fight. And come out of them cabin and go up there go protest if them not tell we nothing good tonight. You understand? We need to do that. Them a lie to we. And them a manipulate the system to play the game in a film. We not playing a game, we just want to go our yard. And go do it 14 days on us say. Or 21 too. Send we our yard. Make we go sit down there and make hungry kill with us some more than we well fed here so and unhappy. A hungry, happy man is better than a miserable fed man. So, share the message. Because we are going to do this. And we are wait for the captain to make an announcement tonight. And any it not sound good. Everybody push out.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present those videos to you, I want to explain a little bit about this audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now this audio, it's out on social media, and according to what had been said about this audio is that this audio is from one of those persons who are on a cruise ship that had arrived to Jamaica. All right, now viewers and subscribers, you know, on the 19th of May 2020, a cruise ship that is known as Caribbean Adventures of the Seas had arrived to Jamaica, and according to what had been said about this audio on social media is that this audio is from one of those persons that are on that cruise ship. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this because I do not want anyone to be misled. You get what I'm saying to you? I do not have any confirmed information as to if this audio is from one of those persons who are on the cruise ship, but I am only telling you according to what had been said on social media about the audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right, please bear that in mind. All right, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to a video right about now, and this video is out on social media, you know, and this video shows of a person selling juice, like natural juice, you know, viewers and subscribers, you know, when it comes on to the technique or the strategy of selling products, you see what I'm saying to you? Some persons on social media say that Jamaicans are the best. You get what I'm saying to you? Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at, you know, this video, and you can tell me what you think about this video itself. You see me, this video is going to show off the person selling natural juice and so forth. You understand me? Yes. So let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You see me, you can tell me if you think that Jamaicans are the best when they are selling their products. You see me, let me know what you think. You see me? All right, so here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Soda give you bad water, buster make your cluster bag juice make you not use. Pepsi give you epilepsy, alcohol give you slow start. Them juice make you walk off your wife and sweetheart without a thought. So we have start from the spirulina. Spirulina build up your confidence, kill cancer cell, build up immune system, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, stimulate the movements of the sex life. Make when you wake up a man tie you on your belly have the inside the boy look something for your eye. Alright. We are working with the buck up in here, you know. See the buck up in here? This time when you put one wet rock on your man in time, it just stays on and go down. All when water come out of this well said, people up on top of it a ball. See it, this near the okra tuna coconut water. This good for back pain, joint pain, poor blood circulation, arthritis, build up sperm count, make when you leg of water in a whole flood out.
Oh my God.
See it here. This is Irish mash and beetroot, sunflower seed and pumpkin seed. So this is good for the back and good for the cock. beetroot, and the straight blood cleanser this. So if anything in your blood, this take out it. Health over wealth and juice over rum.
God, no, the bars are hard. I swear.
Oh, I eat that.
I eat that?
Yeah. That are the peanut sauce, pearl of blood, with chain root, ramoon, merengue, molasses, noon, shea, mamaka, and dopey gun. These are the spirulina. That are 12 pills, sir. Health over wealth, juice over rum. Yeah, man, this is all the natural juice, man. Any diabetic, any poor blood circulation, any arthritis, any pressure patient, Satan, the lady love the walk up, you know. That means when she go home and put on her back, she feel for. If she whine and stop, it make she go right road.
Yes, sir. Where's that one name, boss?
At the walk up, you know, man.
I buck up in her.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, my boss. Respect.
Juice over rum. Empress.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of a person selling, natural juice. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's how some persons would call it, natural juice. Some person might just call it juice. But however, this video shows of this person selling these juice, and some persons just like the vibes, how this person is doing his thing and so forth. And this video is out on social media where it's being talked about. So I'm just bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also big up and respect this person that is doing his thing. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, big up and respect to him. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the final video to you right about now. And the final video I'm going to present to you is going to show of the person that is known as Tanto Blacks. You get me? Now, Tanto Blacks is known as a entertainer. Some persons might call him a musician. You get what I'm saying to you? And he said some things in a video that some persons on social media find it to be positive, the things that he had said in this video that is out on social media. All right, now I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that Tanto Blacks had said. All right, now here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I bet you don't know, say. I bet you not happy upon yourself. I bet you don't know, say. This is rich. Some boy don't love themselves. Some girl out there don't love themselves. Them love vanity. Them love vanity more than how them love themselves. Them are fake. They fake like everything where the people them give to it. So, we love life rich, that is rich, and we love progress rich. So we work, do we look at music, put in we look at work, we make we want money. You understand me? So, big up to all my people them, my progress friend them. You understand me? We go towards progress. Like Chris Gale, like Gary Matalan, yeah, like my local friends them in my place, like Pigeon, like Frederick, Mafia, Jimmy, Red Blood, all my families them. You get me? We go towards progress. The people them in the street, like in the market, we're selling cause them going towards progress. Like, progress. My market people them, my down a town people them, we sell them thing down a town, progress, big up to all of those people going towards progress.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of Tanto Blacks saying some things. You get what I'm saying to you? And viewers and subscribers, some of the things that Tanto Blacks had said, I think it's really positive, some of the things that he had said. You get me? And, Tanto Blacks is a real entertainer to me. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, every time I see him on a stage, or I see him in a video that is somewhere out there on social media or so on, it's like he's always doing something that is just entertaining. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and we just want to big up and respect to Tanto Blacks. You see what I'm saying to you? And viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about the videos and the audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And this is where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla!
hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.